To us, the most important aspect of having a pool is health and happiness. With that in mind, we'd like to present our all-new Porpoise Pro pool filter cartridges, driven by PurePleat, revolutionary bandless technology. With a standard filter cartridge under pressure, the flow favors the path of least resistance, causing pleats to bunch up, bypassing some filtration fabric. Porpoise Pro with PurePleat technology keeps the pleats of the cartridge rigid and evenly spaced, enhancing flow and delivering phenomenal cleaning power like never before. These amazing new cartridges hold more dirt and are easier to clean. For you, that means less maintenance time and cleaner water. Porpoise Pro is only available through participating Pinch-A-Penny stores. So let us keep your water clean while you take care of business, relaxing.